Welcome back to another episode of the Thornfield Design Series. Last time I'd started working on the shoulder sections, but after checking the fit, I decided to unravel them and make a few adjustments. It wasn't the outcome I had hoped for, but that's often what designing an original pattern looks like. Every change teaches me something and helps create a better finished piece. Now that those adjustments are complete, it's time to move on to the back panel and finally begin bringing Thornfield together. Every crochet design has a point where planning gives way to construction. Up until now, each section has been worked independently. The challenge now is making those individual pieces work together while maintaining the fit and shape I envisioned from the beginning. As I crochet the back panel upward, I'm constantly checking the measurements against the front sections to make sure everything lines up correctly. Designing isn't about creating beautiful stitches, it's also about creating something comfortable to wear. Once the back panel reaches the shoulders, the armholes begin to take shape naturally. This is one of my favorite stages because the structure of the garment finally becomes visible. It's amazing how a few carefully planned rows can completely transform flat fabric into something wearable. Every adjustment made earlier in the design process starts paying off here. Now it's time to join everything together. This is always an exciting moment because it's the first opportunity to see how all the individual pieces work as one. Even after designing several pieces, there's still a little anticipation every time I reach this stage. You can plan, sketch, calculate, but seeing it come together in yarn is something entirely different. With the shoulders joined, Thornfield finally looks like the vest I imagined when I first sketched it. There's still plenty of finishing details ahead, but reaching this point feels incredibly rewarding. Moments like these remind me why I love designing original crochet patterns. Next come some of my favorite details: the flutter sleeves, buttonholes, and buttons that will really give Thornfield its finished personality. Those final touches often seem small, but they're what transform a project from simply handmade into thoughtfully designed. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me today and following along as Thornfield continues to grow. If you've been enjoying this series, I'd love to have you subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. Until next time, thank you for watching and keep making beautiful things, one stitch at a time.